What color are they now, Mary? What color is that? What color? It's brown.
Brown. Yeah, can you say brown? Brown. Yeah, brown.
Good job reading, Mary.
I'm walking in my brown shoes. I'm walking in my brown shoes. I'm walking in my brown shoes. Oh no! We stepped in a large pile of
What is that?
water.
Water.
Stepped in a large pile of water.
What color are his shoes now?
Ding. Ding.
What color are they, Mary?
What?
That's right. Hi, baby-o. Don't eat the crayons. Are you eating crayons?
No.
Don't eat them.
I'm walking in. Oh no, yeah, they were wet. I'm walking in my wet shoes. I'm walking in my wet shoes. I'm walking.
Hey. Stop eating. Hey. No. Don't eat.
Oh.
No, you're eating.
Rainbow. Bill, do you want to sing rainbow? Yeah. Red and purple and green and blue. Purple, orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow. Sing a rainbow too. Yay!
Good job, girls.